Hello and welcome to the video. Today on our gym build, what we're going to be doing is reviewing and assembling the Force USA Modular Power Rack. Now, Force calls it the MyRack, and it's modular because you can add different attachments to it. All right, so one quick thing I want to mention about Force that I really appreciate is their commitment to packaging their products so that they don't receive any damage, which shows to me that they really care about quality and how their customer feels about their products. It shows that they care. They care about their product and they care how the customer receives their product. So sit back, enjoy the assembly, and I'll give you my first impressions on the quality and build of the Force USA MyRack. Now that I've got the rack assembled, the only thing left to do is add the chin-up bar and the accessories. I purchased the chin-up bar, number one, because I like to do pull-ups, but number two, it's gonna add some extra stability to the top of the rack. So first impressions of the rack, let's go over that. First impressions, the rack is great. It's, I think, 12 gauge steel. It's got these numbers labeled next to the holes, which is a great touch on Force's part, and really, I actually am a big fan of that. Number two, because it's 12 gauge steel, you have additional plates that you add to each ends of the racks, each corners where the joints are. And you've also got them here down at the bottom. The reason for that is because your 12 gauge steel is not as durable or as solid as 11 gauge. So at the areas where the rack is weakest at, you're gonna want some extra protection. I really like that. I think Force did a great job. And besides, 12 gauge steel is still pretty solid stuff. Now, you'll see me wiggling this and it doesn't really move that much. It's not, again, it's not even attached to the floor. I plan on doing that tomorrow. But once I get it attached and it's solidly bolted in, this thing is not gonna go anywhere. Plus, I think the rating on how much this thing can hold is about 1,000 pounds or a little over 1,000 pounds. I'm not gonna be doing anywhere near that, so no worries. So yeah, the only thing left to do now is to put together the chin-up bar and work out. Now, whoo! I truly do appreciate the wrapping, but god damn, that's a lot of wrapping. Guys think this is a goddamn Christmas present or some shit? Jesus. What the f? They sent me the wrong bar, and I don't even see it on their website. So, though I appreciate the way they wrapped it, I'm not quite sure how I got a chin-up bar that doesn't exist on their website and that I did not order. Anyway, wish they would have upgraded my J-hooks for me. That would have been nice. J-hooks, pretty easy to put on, right? Easy J-hooks. I like that. Now we've got our safety straps. Last but not least, so just as a quick update, Force USA's customer service is phenomenal. I did get the wrong pull-up bar, but I gave them a call. They realized that they did send out the wrong one, and so they sent me the one that I did order free of charge, and didn't even require me to send the other pull-up bar back. Now, it is a great pull-up bar, the one that I got originally. So if anybody needs a pull-up bar and can use this pull-up bar, just hit me up and I'll send it to you, or I'll deliver it to you myself. Anyway, yeah, customer service is great. Totally happy, satisfied customer, and I really appreciate their expedience with the replacement. So yeah, anyway, that's it.